Good morning, everyone. Good morning. This is Dr. Pallavi Kher, founder of Elevate Yourself Hub and the conductor of coaching program Rich Mindset Mastermind. Today, I am excited to bring live one successful mentee of my program, and her name is Dipali. As her name suggests, she spreads her light wherever she goes. But then today, it's an opportunity for me to go into the nitty gritty of her journey, and it is an opportunity for all of us. What what worked for her the most, because of which she came from this frustration and victimhood mindset to a person who is victorious and a successful business person. So I welcome Dipali to the platform without taking much time from your side. Let us welcome Dipali. Hey Dipali, so excited to have you and very happy to welcome you on this program.
Thank you so much, Pallavi, for giving me this opportunity to give an interview today.
Yeah, you're most welcome and pleasure is all mine. So, uh, tell me in short, Dipali, about you and your work.
So, I'm a travel agent by profession, and I plan and create holidays, and I add value and experience to people's holiday, and I love what I do. So, work is my passion, and I'm enjoying every minute of my work when, a call comes and they say they want to plan a holiday. So, more than my client, I guess I'm more excited to plan their holiday.
Oh, wow. Lovely. This is a perfect example of what can happen when you love your work. Thank you so much. That was an amazing introduction from your side. So, uh, just wanted to know, Dipali, what was the big problem that you were dealing with before joining this program?
Limiting beliefs,
Okay.
fear
Mm-hmm.
all the time, and not capable enough to do certain things, and emotional attachments.
Okay. And why did you choose this program or this one on one coaching program over other programs?
So it just came by fluke. I had seen your post somewhere or probably in a WhatsApp group, and I connected with you. And with one on one coaching sessions, we started, and then you enrolled me for this program. And that's how this program and this journey started. So my journey was very unplanned with you also. Like I met you by fluke, I would say.
All right, all right. So they say that there is no coincidence in the universe. So we can see how it was destined for us to meet and walk on this path together. So
Yes.
after starting this journey, what do you love the most about this program?
What I love the most about is the structured routine what we have. We start from the morning. From the time you wake up, you start with your gratitude to your journaling, to your exercise, and you're grateful for each and every moment what you have in your life and how you can wire your mind even when you have your situation. Like you always say, keep a track of your energy, keep a track of your energy, be in an attentive mode, be in a listening mode. So probably I was not doing all this until I came into this program and I understood that how important it is to be a very good listener, to be present at the moment, and the attention span what we have everywhere. And the intention is, what is your intention of your conversation?
Right, right. And why did it work so well for you?
Because I followed everything what you said. And secondly, I was having a faith in the universe, and like you always say that universe is always teaching you something. So try and learn from what have you learned from this. And I also talk to universe that okay, this and this has happened now. How can I do it better, or how can I make the outcome better next now? And what can I do next? And how can I be a better person?
That is impressive and that is commendable. What I liked about you while you were sharing was you followed the process and you were trying to bring your attention to your intention. And the journey is all about what happens with most of the people is that they forget their intention, and that's why they go out of their track of going towards their goals. And that's why when your attention is not towards your intention, you feel like why you're not achieving your goals. So I truly appreciate you for following it and being an example how your attention to intention can create magics. So thank you so much for sharing this. I mean, it was so important. So, Dipali, what were your results after implementing these processes, and what we teach in the program or how we coach? So, what were your results in real life?
So I became more kind, more compassionate. I improved a lot of relations with my source uh, people because where I was not very great, so improved major relations with my source relations. I mean, I started believing in myself. Magics came to me. Work was happening fabulously well. The fear of operating was not there anymore. Now it's like I know it's going to happen. So I am not worried about that. It will come. What will happen? Will I achieve my targets? Will I do? Now I am so kind of calm and poised that I know it will work through for me.
That's great. And how has your life personally changed in all the areas because of all this?
I have improved relations with everyone. I've become more calmer person. I've become more patient. I've become a more good listener. And now I kind of understand the other person. Where earlier I was always a judgmental that why like this? He's wrong, he's right. Now that parameter of right and wrong is not there only in my life. I don't put it in a box of right and wrong.
That's lovely. That's really something that stuck with me, and it will be with me for a long time. That you have come to that stage where you are not judging people whether they are right or wrong. Impressive. So, where do you think you would be today if you hadn't joined this program?
Well, my whole mindset has changed, and I feel that if I wouldn't have joined this program, my mindset would have not been this where I am today. So everything starts with your mindset, how you approach to people, how you talk to people, how you execute things in your life, how you are with your relations when you communicate. So it has impacted me each and every aspect of my life. Be it health, I've been very disciplined in making healthy choices because discipline and consistency leads to. So following the rituals had made me disciplined in my health. In my relationships, I am understanding them. Money wise, I am not attaching to the outcome. I am just doing my work with my passion and it is just happening for me.
Oh, that's great. So, can you share any three exciting real life incidents in a story form which have been a driving factor for increasing your faith in the process?
There are a lot of factors. I mean, every day is like a magic and miracles now. If I just see, like, if I think, reflect today for yesterday, then I see that this is a magic which has happened. But yes, like one of the post, when I was little low and I was not having work that point of time in that month, and one message I circulated and I got 2 3 bookings from that. That was like a magic for me on just posting on WhatsApp. Then the way money is coming to me from from aspects of life somewhere or the other. That is amazing. And my relationship with my mother-in-law has changed 360 degrees now. I'm more at a calmer space at home versus before.
Yeah. So, can you describe one incident about your miraculous results in money? Though we have
Miraculous.
discussed in the past, I remember two or three,
I
but
I made a loss in trading, and immediately next month I recovered that loss. Okay. Second was this WhatsApp post which I just posted, and I got unexpected bookings. Now, like when I wake up every day, I get every one message from my client. Like people are referring me to where and where. They are referring me to their doctors. I get a call from US, London when I wake up in the morning. There's a message from that, that we want this package. So it seems that I have not reached out to them, but they are reaching out to me.
So you have become a magnet to miracles, right?
Yeah.
So, as we always discuss in our program, don't try to chase money. Become that person by which that money or those opportunities will start following you like a butterfly. I can see that principle being lived by you. Is that right?
Yeah. Like
Great.
off lately, all bookings are via reference only, and they've just come to me without me chasing anyone.
Absolutely amazing. That is so impressive. And can you describe one magical incident about you improving your relationship with your mother in law, which can inspire so many women out there?
Like you always said, never, if someone is having a sword in their hand, you do not pick up your sword. This is like engraved in my mind now. So now I do not indulge in anything because I do not want to, lower down my energy levels by indulging in it. So I am very calm. I'm very patient. I listen to her. Once she's done, then I say that, Mommy, was this right? We could have done it this way. And then she would agree to it. Okay.
If you all are listening to this, how many of you have this courage that Dipali shown to listen? Because listening requires courage. We are sometimes so hasty to react in the situation or to prove ourselves right. But from this conversation, I truly get inspired by the way Dipali has shown and proven that with patience and with patient listening, with your intention to understand the other person, you can literally flip the situation like never before. Right? So, Dipali, any other miracle that is remarkable for you in these last 3 to 5 months, which you feel that you were like, पता नहीं ये कैसे हो गया मैंने सोचा ही नहीं था any sudden money coming into your life or sudden improvement in the conversation with some other person and it was magical or it gave you goosebumps like oh my god this is it.
Like money is coming from to my life. My mom all of a sudden came and gave me a money randomly, which was very unexpected. I'm meeting people who are pretty much like my mindset nowadays, So that is also a coincidence. Like I met someone in the park and we just random chat it was and we just connected because our thoughts were similar. So this was like a magic. So I am meeting people who are at my types, my vibrating at my level only nowadays. And I'm happy in my own company now.
Hmm. Oh, that is great. I'm happy in my own company. And they say that if you are with yourself, that is the most difficult space to be. But once you learn this, to be happy in your own space, then nothing and no one in this universe has any power over you. So you have become that powerful person in true sense, Dipali. Congratulations for this transformation.
Thank you
Congratulations.
so much. Couldn't have been possible without your help and your joy. Truly
It's
owe you for this.
Thank you so much for your kind words. Your kindness and your compassion is flowing through in every conversation we have and in every conversation you might be having with people around you. So imagine if there was someone watching this interview and they were on the fence about going ahead with any mindset reprogramming or any such program, Rich Mindset Mastermind or Rich Mindset Morning Capsules, then what would you say to them about this journey?
It's a beautiful, wonderful journey. It changes your life 360 degrees. I mean, specifically the mindset. It trains your mind how to react in circumstances, situation, and people. Now, I think before I talk. Earlier was not the case. So I think you should do this. It's a must for your own growth and progress. Forget work, growth wise work wise I'm not talking, but for your own personal growth and progress in terms of your relationship, health, money, everything.
and what results can they expect from this journey? And means if you want to talk up from your life experience.
The journey, what they feel is it's going to be an abundance coming from all aspects of life. Gratitude is something which you will start valuing and it will become a part of your lifestyle. Your journaling, it will become a part of your lifestyle. You will value each and everything what you have, even including the air, what you are breathing in today.
So when you say that this journey is magical, and it can be wonderful for anyone who will join the program, but there are sometimes people who are hesitant to even book a call. So what do you think, what can help them to comfort and transform their lives?
I think they should just not think, book a call, speak to you once. Like I spoke to you once and I was just game for it. So one call can change your life.
Oh, thank you so much,
It's a
Dipali.
slow process, but
Hmm.
it definitely is a very, very fruitful and it is proven in my life that it has worked wonders.
Great, great. So any lasting words before we hop off the
Thank,
call? Anything you
thank,
want to say or
thank,
express?
thank you so much, and lots of gratitude for that. I truly have immense gratitude, love, and respect for you. And I love you loads.
Thank you. Thank you so much. It was such a pleasurable journey for me to uh, to coach you, to bring you in this space. And what I like the most about you is your faith in the process, plus uh, you perceiving the concepts and you listening to the word and the meaning behind it. This has always touched my heart. I don't know if I have expressed this to you, but if we complete one session in the next week, when I ask any particular question, you are there sharing your results associated with implementation of that concept. So this was truly a magical experience for me as well, Dipali. And I'm so thankful to you for jumping onto this program, walking this path with me, and creating this amazing, amazing transformation for your life. Because when you transform your life, you are actually creating a huge surge of energy in the universe, because they say that when you invite trouble into your life, you are inviting trouble in the world. So when you are inviting miracles into your life, you are blessing others with the possibility of miracles. So thank you so much for being here, for walking on this path, and for spreading your light further. Even if we are not here together in the coaching program, but I look forward to listen to you and to see you in this further program of Rich Mindset Morning Capsules. So I'll be reaching out to you if you have created any results after that daily mindset program.
Yes, thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you.
Yes. So if you all are listening to this Dipali's interview, then what comes to your mind? And where in your life do you feel inspired? The intention of this program is to make you believe in the possibility. Here, when Dipali is talking about her real life results in money, relationships, and her health, then sometimes it becomes, even for me, hard to believe. But when I look at the glow on her face, the confidence she is carrying, the miraculous results she is creating, it even strengthens my faith that yes, it is possible. And if it is possible, if it is possible for Dipali, then it is possible for every one of you. So what are you waiting for? Your transformation is waiting for you, and it is just a call or a message away. So thank you very much, Dipali, to be on this call, to agree for this interview, and for being a miraculous person as you are. Thank you very much.